Hello, good morning. So, hindi na tayo nakapagtapos ng vlog kagabi Pero, Sunday today and mag-run kami ng errands ni Kim kasi wala nang time next week. Mabilisan lang. May bibilihan lang kami sa Costco and siguro sa Shoppers. But yes.
Yun lang ba?
Why?
No, I'm just asking.
I think so, yeah. Why?
Diba you made a list? You have the list?
Wait lang guys
Oh, you know those things? Those are really good. Which one? Yung mga dip, yung milky, it's really good.
Wanna try? Go.
Do you want?
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
What is it?
What this one?
Chives and garlic? That one is chives and garlic, I think.
One.
Oh, no. Yeah, the other one, yeah.
Amazing dips made from cashew nuts.
Pretty good.
Right?
Yeah.
Really good. It's local too.
Local?
Yeah. Local from Richmond.
Oh, that's nice. Maybe when we come back.
Recipe is made from Richmond. It's non-dairy.
Oh, that's good.
Made out of chickpeas.
That's good. You want that? We can get one pagbalik natin.
That's really good, right?
I love it. You do it? Okay?
That's all that we need.
Huh?
That's all that we need.
We have marami. I think they're going to bring bubbly naman. You think so? Probably.
Really good. Yung artichoke dip.
Yeah. You wanna buy it now? How much is isang pack?
Hindi ko alam eh. Ako.
We can store it naman eh. No? What? Yeah. I'll say here. Medyo malamig siya, guys. Naantay ko lang si Kim. Kita ba yung ano ko? Hindi ako nag... What? 3 for 18? Oh, that's pretty good. Get all. No, like get one of each. Why, you don't want the other flavors? Maybe try, no, maybe just 2 spinach and then 1 chives and garlic. Iniwan namin si Daisy sa bahay, guys. And, minomonitor naman namin siya sa, minomonitor naman namin siya sa, camera. And she's just sleeping. Siguro kagabi, dahil nga late siya nakatulog, ngayon bumabawi siya ng tulog. Hindi siya kumain this morning kasi naantok siya, but we just let her. So, this morning, umihi lang siya and then nag-jabs. And then that's it. And then, she went back to sleep. And until now, natutulog pa din siya. And, hanggang ano pa yan, hanggang mamaya pa yan pag-uwi namin ng bahay. So, inaantay lang natin si Kim ngayon. Maganda pala daw siya. Ewan ko kung narinig niyo, but that's a local product. Local dip siya. And, non-dairy. So, that's good. So, may, sila, may iba-ibang flavor. So, yeah. Alam niyo, naghahanap pala ako ng tower fan sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako sure kung sa probinsya lang ba namin walang tower fan. Pero I was looking for tower fan nung last na umuwi ako ng Pilipinas. And SM doesn't have it. So, hindi ako sure kung doon lang ba sa area namin. Pero binala ko sana na bumili para meron sa bahay namin doon sa Ormoc. Pero nung naghanap ako, wala. Naalala ko lang, nabanggit ko lang kasi may nakita ako dito na bumibili ng tower fan. And I thought, oo nga pala, wala pala doon. Anyway.
3 months in the fridge and then 9 months in the freezer.
3 months in the fridge and 9 months in the freezer. So, ito yun, guys. Meals.
You know what? We were gonna buy another thing. Yung ginger or American.
Oh, right. Oh, okay. No, I'll come with you. Yeah. Is this is this recording or is this on time
Yeah,
lapse?
it's recording.
Okay, yun pala yun, guys. Anyway.
Imagine if you're just talking.
Ganito siya. At, ikaw na lang nito, pero may mga sinabi ako in between, may mga sure.
Maganda, we bring one to mo.
Yung spinach gusto mo? Okay, sige. Iwan
Tapos, we eat it during the drive.
It's really good. Good. Good plan. Sounds like a good plan. Hindi ko alam, guys, pero naghahanap na ng kape yung katuan ko. And I think,
Hindi yata dito, doon sa
where?
Sa last.
Nakita niyo ba yung mga blemishes ko ngayon kasi hindi ako nag-makeup today. Because umalis kami kaagad.
Tapos 3.
3 for 11. That's pretty good. This one is good pala.
Alin?
This
And
one.
stock?
Yeah. I just don't like na masyadong Can I see?
We didn't bring this to,
Okay, ito yung ibig sabihin ni Kim, guys. Bibili kami nito. Ginger shot.
It has
Lemon?
turmeric and lemongrass. It's actually super
Turmeric and lemongrass. Ano?
super pure. No?
Yeah, I didn't like the flavor. Pero, guys, para sa ano? Para sa kinabukasan at future ng bayan, ganun talaga. Anyway, kung nagtataka kayo kung bakit yung camera nakaharap sa mukha namin instead of showing you guys Costco. Hiya kami. Hiya kami. Pwede naman. Pinili ko na yung Calvin Klein kasi that's...
Ano yun? I'm sure.
Pinili ko na ito. Maong na shorts. Eh, alam mo naman yung shorts. Isang ano na. Kasi iba ano ko na. Kaya iba-deploy ko. Purge. Hey, baby. Sorry. What?
Maganda yung mga shirt mo.
Ay! Oo nga!
Uy, wag na.
Ay, di. Tingnan ko lang. Tingnan ko lang.
Ay, hindi siya yung ganun. Oh, akala ko, bodysuit. Hindi siya bodysuit. Okay.
I was looking for bodysuit. Kasi nakakabit ko sa siya. Look.
True.
Okay, the juice right there.
Oh, okay.
Hinap ko na. Tapos lang naman yung hinahanap.
Ano bang bibili natin siya?
Yung ano lang. Actually, kahit ako na yung pag-alis. Ano na tayo?
Hindi, ano nga bibili natin siya?
Mga ano lang. Mga Shiseido lang na spa treatment din lang.
Ah.
Hanay natin. Or baka tomorrow, I can go tomorrow. Or I don't know. Wala pa nga.
Okay. Let's pause this first because we're gonna play. VR.